In this classroom, you have two monitors. They're connected and can be used as one continuous screen. The right screen is also connected to the projectors around the room. If you wish to share what is on the screen to the displays, you can do so by clicking NinerNet PC under the display sources on your control panel. This will only show what is on the right monitor. You are still free to use the left monitor without it being shared. If you select another source to use on the control panel, that source will also be routed to your right monitor. To continue to use the computer while on a different source, your materials must already be on the left monitor, or you will be unable to access them without switching back to the NinerNet PC source. If you would like to play a video and show it to the class, you can do so on the right monitor. But if you change sources while playing the video, it will cut the audio and visual from the monitor. But if you switch back, the video will still be playing and automatically continue. If you are using Zoom for your class and would like to share your screen, you'll have the option to select either monitor to share. You can adjust the monitors slightly to move them closer or farther away. There are also buttons on the podium beside the keyboard and mouse tray that allows you to adjust the height of the podium.